If you want to permanently remove a game from Steam, I'll show you the fastest way to do it step by step. This is useful if you want to clean up your library, remove games you no longer play, or just get rid of something you don't want showing up anymore. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the top of the app and click the Help menu. From the drop-down, select Steam Support. This will take you to Steam's support page, where you can manage help topics for your account, your games, and your Steam content. Now you need to find the game you want to remove. If it's a game you've recently used, it may already appear in the Recent Products section. If not, you can search for it manually. Take your time here and make sure you choose the correct game, especially if you own several titles with similar names. After you select the right game, Steam will show you a list of support options related to that title. Scroll through those options until you find the one that says, I want to permanently remove this game from my account. Click that option to continue. At this point, Steam will show you a warning and ask you to confirm your decision. Read this message carefully before moving forward, because this action is meant to remove the game from your account. If you're sure, confirm that you want to permanently remove it. Once you submit the request, Steam may not always make the result look obvious right away. So the easiest way to check whether it worked is to go back to your Steam library and look for the game. If it no longer appears in your library, then the removal was successful. Now, there are a few important things to know. First, removing a game like this does not give you a refund, so if you're actually eligible for a refund, meaning the game was owned for less than 14 days and you've played it for under 2 hours, you should request a Steam refund instead of removing it permanently. Second, even though Steam uses the word permanent, you may still be able to restore the game later for free. To do that, search for the game again in Steam support and choose the option that says it's not in my library. That can bring it back if you ever change your mind. And finally, keep in mind that your achievements and playtime usually stay on your profile even after the game is removed. If you want to hide that information, you may need to make your Steam profile private. So that's how you permanently remove a game from Steam and double check that it's gone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.